in our first collection, A Time to Create, shown here in our fresco color story. Our feature pattern, Lennox, a modern graphic block in a cut velvet quality, works well with a variety of textures and planes that boast true performance with our Endurapal finish. Carson, the bold basket weave texture, Felicity with its soft boucle, in a rich peak coloring, or pull in the classic Yates pewter for a more refined option. As stripes and velvets continue to grow in popularity, what better option than the classic block stripe Hathaway? Especially when paired with another performance novelty plane, Marvell, our illustrious chenille plane, Bokeh. We've merchandised in Ovation Glacier, a mid-century modern geometric velvet, along with Corlit's Staccato, an Endurapal performance pebble weave plane, or the all-time favorite tweed, Maritz. Building on the success of our Vision prints, first up we have Vincent. Exemplifying our playful blocks of color, in the cypress coloring, it creates a stunning setting with Whirligig, a Vision value mid-scale chunky chenille, with a sub-scroll motif, shown here in the common cool color. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more, visit our website at vision-fabrics.com and follow us on our Instagram at visionfabrics.